Get the head.
Watch the tail, it's fast.
Now, drop the net.
Keep the tension on the net.
Move to the left, secure that side.
All right, haul it up now, together.
All right, push the tail. Watch the head, watch the head.
I've got the hook right here.
Lock the chain, secure it now.
Watch your step on the left.
Okay, steady now. The lock is secure.
Keep moving, we are almost there.
Ready, heave. Bring it back right. Lower it down slow.
Okay, pull the tape tight. That's 5.2 meters.
Copy that. Ready to lift on 3.
Push from the left. Careful, watch the back. Almost there, keep it steady.
Watch the cage, watch the cage. A little more to the right. All right, set it down.
Hold it steady.
Almost there, watch your hands.
Once the cage is open, the team must carefully guide the massive reptile into its new habitat.
Rat secured, moving into the strike zone.
Vitals are stable, logging the feeding response now. We're getting a reading of 55 millimeters here.
Consistent with the previous section, this is a high quality yield.
She hasn't moved much since yesterday. The skin looks healthy.
Skin condition looks excellent. Scales are vibrant and healthy. Logging is status green.
Keep them evenly spaced, ladies. We need to maintain the flow. Check the pressure on roller C. Ramping it up now. Alignment looks good.
Check the edges carefully before you mark the line.
Yes, making sure there are no imperfections or tears. The cuts are looking clean on the python.
Confirm, the settings are holding steady.
The scales here are perfectly matched.
Yes, the finish is excellent.
The fit on this snakeskin is perfect. It's snug but allows for movement. The craftsmanship is excellent.
I think the burgundy works better centered, don't you agree?
Yes, the contrast is perfect now. We are ready for the shoot.
Everything is perfect. The quality is excellent.
Agreed. I'll sign off on this lot now.
Yes, well done, Antoine. Absolutely stunning.
This thread here needs adjusting.
Got it. Looks flawless now.